Looking to enhance your WordPress site's social media presence? In this video, we're exploring the social icons block from Blocks, perfect for adding customizable social media icons that link directly to your profiles. With over 15 unique icon styles, hover, click animation, and tooltip options, I'll guide you through setting it up. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site, and make sure to install the Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the social icon block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for social icon. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of social icon block from Blocks. In the Content tab, you will find multiple predefined styles. Each will add a unique style to your social icons. Let's see each style. For style 14, we'll find 2 more styles. Same for style 15. You can also add a custom style, where you can customize the style. Let's stick with style 8 for now. Then from the social network section, you have to use these repeater items to add the social icons. Let's see the options. From the select network drop down, you have to select a network. You can also add custom, that will allow you to add custom icon. For icons, you can add font awesome icon or dash icons, or you can even add custom image as well. Let's stick with Facebook for now. Then in the title, you can add the title for the social network. You can adjust the icon color, background color, border color for normal and hover states. By enabling the tooltip toggle, you can add tooltip to the social icon like this. You can adjust the typography. You can even add global typography. You can add color as well. You can click on the add network button to add more social icons. From the alignment, you can align the social icons. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize the social icons. In the general tab, you can adjust the icon gapping. You can adjust the icon size. If you have image, you can adjust the image width. From the tooltip options tab, you can adjust the tooltip style. From the options tab, if you enable the interactive toggle, if you have any link in this tooltip, you can click on them. From the position, you can adjust the tooltip position. From theme, you can adjust the theme of the tooltip. You can adjust the width. You can adjust the offset, distance. If you enable the arrow toggle, you can add an arrow to the tooltip. From the triggers, you can set the tooltip trigger to hover or on click. From the animation, you can add an animation to the tooltip. You can add duration in and out. From the style tab, you can adjust the style of the tooltip. You can adjust the arrow color. You can adjust padding, border radius. You can adjust the background. You can add background color. You can add gradient color as well. You can adjust the box shadow. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the social icon block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.